we're back at Carlos's place. What are we doing today?
Try not to get depressed, take the engine out, clean up everything, see what we need to buy for the new engine.
So yeah, we'll finally be taking apart this thing right here and figuring out what went out the block, right? And seeing what damage came out of it. Hopefully nothing too major, right? I mean it's major enough, but hopefully nothing beyond the usual. Alright, let's get started.
Oh, you can feel the torque steering.
Yeah, I didn't used to feel the torque steer until I got grippier tires, because they would just spin. How do you like the Honda motor, huh?
That's funny. As I said, my car needs either a Honda or a real Toyota engine.
Not this Subaru boxer engine.
Subaru bullshit.
Alright, so we took an hour to get the car up on jack stands and now we're gonna go get food. Making good progress here. Let's see the carnage.
It's just very sparkly. Very sparkly. Very sparkly. Okay.
Any big chunks?
There are no big chunks, but it's full of
Glitter.
It's full of glitter chunks. Yeah.
Okay. Well.
You can see here how many glitter chunks are everywhere.
It's delicious.
Yeah, that's look at all them rod bearings.
Let's continue taking this apart.
Here's the back. This is number 4. Looks like that's the one that blew up.
And it's always been number 2 that blew up.
The other 2 times it was number 2. Now it's number 4.
When is it gonna be 1 and 3?
Yeah. We'll see next time that we get an engine there.
Yeah, we'll see how this one does. Maybe it'll blow both 1 and 3.
There you go.
We're back for day 2. Because we took forever yesterday draining stuff. And we've got help, the master mechanic.
No, don't say that.
Master mechanic.
It's gonna take us even longer now.
We're gonna
Hey,
break
isn't
shit.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna break stuff.
What can I think?
Eventually. If not,
Okay, we've got everything
it
drained.
doesn't fit in my boxes. I can take it to work.
Engine's almost ready to come out.
So,
We've drained all the shit.
I already disconnected all of that shit. So the only thing we need to do now is disconnect the 8 bolts of the transmission.
You're leaving the trains in?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because that one works fine, so I don't care.
Yeah,
about
just
it.
hold on to that one.
And I need to disconnect the starter, but that's it.
Anyway.
Yeah, fuck those studs.
So I need to go underneath and kind of like push it up. You want to pull it?
The chain. So,
And we're just gonna let the trans fall. It should be fine. But
yeah, maybe that's the problem now.
I think now it's just it doesn't want the trans to fall.
Okay.
Oh, I can put the jack.
Let's put the jack on the transmission.
Yeah.
Let's put the jack on the transmission.
I mean, it could still be fine.
I heard.
It could still be fine if it started knocking like that. But
No, it died. So
oh, it shut off on
I
you?
heard a bah, and then it died.
So working theory is valve springs
spring
are
work. If that's the case on this motor, let me replace the valve spring, even if it is a newer one.
Oh, the oil is it's oil from a party.
Oh, it's all. Yeah, no, on this.
It's all like sparkly everywhere.
From this motor or that motor?
From this one. Yeah.
Okay.
It's oil from a party.
Yeah.
So
That's great, dude.
let's move it.
That's crazy.
You need to move it there.
I don't think so.
Rain review.
That's all good.
What the fuck?
Oh, the face of defeat.
Oh wait, no, right here, right here.
the bottom. The
oil
bottom.
pans, man.
Okay, that's where the oil came from.
Yeah.
There is a
That's where it came from.
Man, this motor is done. Oh, what he did.
He did Carlos things.
That's where it. Yeah. So that's where all the oil came from.
So you cracked the case.
Ooh, so I wonder if it's gonna be broken.
Oh.
The pan?
Yeah. No,
The baffle.
the baffle plate. Because I wanted to put it in the new one, you know.
Oh, we'll see. We'll pull it apart and figure it out, right?
Yeah. We got a crack on the bottom and a crack on the valve. But the valve was probably from when you were cranking it though, right?
It's a bit wet, right?
Yeah.
So what's the next plan?
This assembly.
You gotta take off the what? Intake manifold? Intake manifold.
We're good. Don't worry about it. We're good. Don't worry about it.
I caught it on camera.
We're good. Don't worry about it.
Trust him, he's a professional.
He's a professional fucker.
I know I am.
Hello. Motor. Oh, you're supposed to make a funny noise.
I listened it up for you.
He was struggling.
I'll get you the same 30 ratchet I use. It's fantastic.
Alright.
Moment of truth. Cylinder number 4.
No,
That's not good.
just a lot of oil, but looks fine.
Yeah, but that's not good.
What do you mean?
Because they're brand new.
Well, obviously.
Yeah.
But if you've seen the other ones that I had, they were like,
Exploded?
well, the top was gone.
Oh, nice.
The top of the plug was gone. So this is fine. So this can be reused, right?
I wouldn't. It's covered in oil. It's all foul and gross.
Okay.
What are we looking at? Where's the thing?
Well, there.
Nice and chunky.
Check it. And there's a bolt right there.
Oh, I see it. Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
The blue thing is the the baffle.
The baffle.
Yeah.
Did the bolt from the baffle come? Oh.
This is the oil pickup.
The oil.
Yep. And then it goes through like.
That's just me.
It goes through here. No.
Okay.
Ready?
We said we were making a mess. Look who made the mess now.
You have a baggie for the timing cover bolts?
Go. Moment of truth. It's the cracked valve. Uh-oh.
No, I'm just gonna
It's gotta wipe away the tears.
just put the small one. That's enough.
Should be good.
Here. It's crunchy. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Alright. Chun, chun.
Oh, what's
Lifter.
this?
Yeah, it's a lifter.
Was that what smacked into the?
That guy definitely popped out.
Yeah.
From there.
Was that from you turning it over?
Potentially.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Okay, so that wasn't the cause of the damage then.
No,
That was just you turning it over.
just turning it over the other. No, I was turning it over correctly. I don't know.
No, it might have just not been seated well. I don't know.
Oh well.
Oh, maybe I don't know. Maybe turn it over the other way.
I mean, it might have got.
Touch over.
It might have just got dislodged, and then when you turning it over, kicked it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think that's what caused that crack, though. It might have actually.
The
Actually,
lift? I think so.
Actually,
yeah.
Yeah, because it was sitting.
Actually,
It was
it
sitting
might
down
have.
there
It might have came out
when the engine blew.
before the engine blew, right? And then the engine blew, and it was bouncing around down here. Right?
But then
What's the cam look like? The cam's got a scrape right here.
Ooh.
That was so tight. Go for it.
Oh, there goes another thing.
It's okay.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. These are all going to the trash. Supposedly 40,000.
Well, yeah.
This is
When
for the direct injection.
yeah. Well, because when we first put it on, it was very. When we remember the flywheel that we saw, it was like HASport.
Yeah.
I don't think the person ever read that out.
Yeah. Well, that's HASport. Okay, then.
It's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
This side's fine.
So is this
Can still see the cross.
These are bolts cracked case?
Yes.
Well, let's take the other side off first.
Yeah.
And the oil pan.
We need to take all of these to crack the case first.
Yeah. Oil pan has to come off.
But
Let's take the other
I
head
can
off.
still see the cross hatching and everything in this one, so.
Almost done tearing it apart.
Almost.
Okay, wait. Piston destroyed or just the rod?
Piston's destroyed. Rod is fine.
I'm gonna go with rod.
I don't think the piston is destroyed because the spark plug was good.
I think it's the
It
rod.
was just oily, but I don't think the piston is destroyed.
Ready?
So, yeah, ready? Yep.
Piston looks fine.
No, it's cracked, but
Oh, it's cracked?
it is cracked.
Yeah. That's pretty bad too.
It's cracked everywhere.
It's real fishy. It's real fishy.
Oh, yeah. You should be a top dead center now. This is a top dead center.
So is it? These two are at top and
Okay.
Alright, piston test.
I think we found the problem.
I think we found the problem. Yep.
Oh, that's a lot. It's so chunky. It's so chunky.
The piston doesn't seem to be connected to the crank.
No. That's great, dude.
It's chunky. I don't know. So can you reuse the baffle?
We have to take it off and see what's on the other
Yeah,
side.
I think I can reuse it.
Yeah, I mean this is no problem
Yeah.
probably. Right, just take, what is it, just these two and it
reuse
comes
it.
off?
I'll reuse it.
It's a real chunky damage.
How many? Yes.
It's a real chunky boy. Lesson learned, don't get a Subaru engine. What are we taking apart now?
The upper oil can. Take a photo here.
Pan that got cracked from the rod that shot out. Shit.
Okay. And still.
Right bar.
Woo!
That's awesome.
At least this time it's not lodged against the crank like last time. It's a boy.
It used to be.
I'm so proud. Look at him.
What a proud dad.
Okay. Let's Okay. Ready? Put it on the ground. Yeah, that's fine.
It's a boy! Where's the I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my god. Should we take this out now?
Yeah.
Get the
No, wait, let's take the...
other. You want to take the crank
Now
out?
we have. Okay, let's take the crank.
Because the other one's broken.
Yeah. Yeah, this one was fine. Wow, yeah, this is fast. Ready? This one is a boy.
Oh, it's so oily. Okay, we're gonna take this off.
Let's see.
And then we can hammer this piston. It's up here.
Yeah.
Ready?
You want one?
Sure. I'll pick it up next time. It's still oily.
Nope.
That one just might be stuck in there.
Yeah.
Because we pushed it down. And it's probably stuck on the metal.
Yeah, it's probably stuck.
Do you want help putting up both buttons?
Yeah, I'll take the other two pistons to give to somebody. And then let's see if we can get all of this put there and
Okay.
maybe like on the Sequoia and see if we can take it to the scrapyard.
I'll put the pistons somewhere else. Just do it like we do it. Hey, so I realized I never closed out this video, but we got the engine taken out and disassembled and bearing spun. So, you know, typical Subaru engine problems. But if you guys enjoy this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Follow my Instagram at QMedia. The next video coming up will be a review of our trip to Japan. At the time of filming this, I was editing this video and we're back already. So if you're looking forward to kind of the overview that we're gonna put together for our 8-day trip to Japan, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for it. So yeah, hopefully this video was somewhat interesting. You know, it's just taking apart the engine, nothing too crazy. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.